We present our automatic BG65 packaging machine, with double channel and double balance for almonds, walnuts, hazelnuts, granular products and much more. According to the product and the requested productivity, different customizations are possible. Made directly in our Vicenza plant, near Venice. Remote assistance and control of the machine. Simple to use and reliable. Instead of vibrating channels, it is possible to use inverter-controlled conveyor belts, thus favoring greater speed during product loading. For more information visit our video channel, www.confeziona.it, and our official website, www.ciasrl.it. Possibility of customization, according to customer needs. C.I.A. Italian packing machines. Since 1986, we dress your products worldwide.